Hello, coding stars! Welcome back to another exciting ScratchJr adventure. Today, we're diving into something super important: debugging and problem solving. Did you know that even the best coders make mistakes? But guess what? That's part of the fun. Finding and fixing those mistakes makes you a true coding superstar. Ready to become problem-solving pros? Let's go. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. Imagine pressing play, but your character goes the wrong way or doesn't move at all. Let's fix that. Here's what we'll do. Open a pre-made project where a character should move to the right and say hello, but something's off. Review the code blocks carefully. Uh-oh, there's a block missing or in the wrong spot. Drag and fix the blocks so the character moves properly and speaks at the right time. Test it again. Yay! It works perfectly now. Spot 3 errors in your own project and see how quickly you can fix them. Now that we've fixed those mistakes, let's make sure everything works just right. Follow these steps. Play your project from start to finish. Watch carefully to see if anything looks strange. Does the character move as expected? Do the sounds play at the right time? If something doesn't feel right, adjust the code and test it again. Pro tip: keep testing and refining until your project is absolutely perfect. Remember, coding stars, mistakes are just opportunities to learn and grow. Keep testing, keep fixing, and most importantly, keep having fun. If you liked today's lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and share your own debugging stories. And hit that subscribe button for more awesome coding adventures. See you next time!